Hey guys, what's up? Today we are cleaning the Fiesta ST. Just the seats, because I'm a lazy bastard and that's all I want to do right now. In a second I'll show you the damage. I've had this car since May of 2017, April, May-ish, and I've never ever cleaned them. I've vacuumed them, and that's about the extent I've gotten to these seats. And I daily drive this car. I'm a maintenance technician at apartment complexes, so you're coming out covered in human slime from cleaning out these people's houses. It's gross. It's not like, oh my god, that's your car bad. It's just like, ugh, that's a stain. I've spilt Windex in the back seats, and there's been a microwave that leaked human food slime residue. So let's take a look at the seats, and I'll show you guys what we're gonna clean that with. So here's the damage. This is my girlfriend's seat. I get on her all the time about it. She knows better. And she only does it on accident now. But we got Big John's steak and onion right there. Yogurt right there. Yogurt on the back part of the seat somehow. And there's just micro stains. And I don't know what the hell's wrong with these seats, but if you... ain't that weird? What the fuck is that? Why does my seat clean with my nail? That is so weird and gross. So we're going to clean these with a portable steam... But first, I gotta get all the stuff out of the back of the car. It's pretty in there right now. Like I say, I daily the car. My girlfriend dailies the car. Now let me put up my seat. My sub bumping away. Even back here, this is all Windex. And it doesn't like to come out. I don't know, I got my girlfriend's backpack back here. Towels and just random tools from work. So I gotta clean that out before we get started. So I'll do that real quick and we'll get ready. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes, so we're gonna try this out. This is the mess I'm having to deal with. This is not ideal. They say this is for cars, but unless your car is just a fucking bench seat, no, I would not use this product for a vehicle. Maybe in rear seats, but if you have anything modern, this is going to be shit. Yeah, like I was saying, the back's way easier to do. This is also where it's the most dirty, so let's see if we can get some pressure on it so you guys can see. Yo, that's coming out like dookie brown. This is what was inside of that. Ugh. Let me open it up here. Shit on the drain. Wet dog food. Yuck. That's just from my front seat and half the back. Yuck. Oh my god, there's a glob of hair for my dog. Yucky. Alright, we're done. I got her all cleaned up. All the seats are nice and clean. I filled up that little container about 2 more times. I'll let you take guys a little peek. It's not dry. I don't have a space heater or anything, so my plan is just let the car idle for an hour. I know that's probably bad for it. It's not a cop car, but pretty sure an hour won't hurt it too bad. The heat's on full blast, so take a look-see here. You can see it's kind of cleaner. These are paint stains. There's nothing I can do about that. That's part of me working in my trade. That's just fucked up leather. I have to get that reconditioned. But over here, I'm hoping it took away that Big John grease stain. The yogurt's gone. Looks decent. Heat's on. Okay, just want to make sure. Back here, I never ended up taking everything out, so just doing the seats anyways. I have a tear, that's also from work. Hopefully it takes away the Windex stains. If you remember, it goes right here, right there, and over there. So we'll see as this dries what it looks like. If I need to do it over again, I can. Hey guys, want to do a little update on the seats. Got some mail here. Let me move that real quick. But I think they turned out really good. Compared to what they are, I have water stains now right here. That's where the suction tool would grab, but it wouldn't really grab up here. I have to figure that out. I think I'm just gonna get out my shop vac, and this should probably help it. But the rear seats look phenomenal compared to what they were. Like, that is incredible. So guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I have a couple more videos. If you guys want to check those out, they'll be right here end screen. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, like or dislike. Tell me what you didn't like about the video. Tell me what you liked about the video. Love you guys. Catch you next time. Bye.